faded in this dark and smoky room.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows, I primed my lids, and I did one eye off camera. For eyebrows, I used the same thing, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony Dip Brow Pomade. To prime my lids, I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden, and I also used the same thing to cut my crease. Oh, and to set my eyebrows, I used the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and for the shadows I used the Jackie Aina palette. So now I'm just gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see me doing my eyeshadows a little bit more detailed. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is Ginger. It's this one right here. And I'm gonna take a big blending brush and I'm just gonna add that to the crease.
With your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment.
Now I'm gonna go into edges.
He pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence.
And I'm just taking it in a little. I'm going back in with the previous blending brush and just blending these two colors out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion in Eden, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out my crease. All right, so the crease is cut. Now I'm going to go in with Trust Issues. It's this one right here. And I'm just gonna take like a flat top brush.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah.
Now I'm gonna go into this one right here, which is, I think you pronounce it Wiggles or Wigglies. I think it's a Wigglies. I'm just going back into Trust Issues and mixing them together, like blending them out. And then I'm gonna go back into Edges and just blend these two shadows together. So what I'm gonna do now is just put on some mascara, the gel liner, and my lashes, and I'll do that off camera. So I'm done with the lashes. For lashes, I use the Lily Lashes in Miami. For liner, I used the Black Track from MAC. And then for mascara, I used the Essence False Lash Effect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face, and I'm gonna be using the Touch and Soul Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 312. I'm just gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer in light medium. So to set my under eye, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna take these two shades right here. It is Lucid and Lyric.
So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Stressed out before I'm into the
So to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in Fawn. So now I'm gonna move on to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with Ginger and Edges. So the first shade I'm gonna grab is Ginger, and I'm gonna take that to the bottom lash line.
Then I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence.
And then I'm gonna go into Edges, and I'm gonna take that closer to the lash line.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started.
And then I'm just gonna take in the nude eye kohl pencil. This is the Remo London Nude. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my bronzer. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Pac-Man bronzer. I don't know if you guys could still find it.
Fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart.
So now I'm just gonna go and take some of that same Shade and Light powders that I used, and I'm just gonna cut under the bronzer. And I'm gonna go ahead and sweep off the powder that I left sitting in the under eye. And I'm also gonna take some of that bronzer and contour my nose a little bit. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the same collection from Wet n Wild, the Pac-Man collection. And I'm gonna take these for blush. Look at how pretty that looks. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna set my face with a little bit of the Evian's facial spray. Okay, so now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more facial spray since I added the highlighter. So for lips, we're gonna go ahead and move on with the MAC Cork lip liner. Now I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors. I think this was the Desi and Katie collab. This one is My Main. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and go into my bottom lash line, and I'm gonna be using this combo. This is my favorite two mascaras at the moment. This one is the Essence False Lash Effect, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use those on the bottom lash line. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And don't forget to share this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!